Myself, first PU SCBA. Freedom in the mind, strength in the world. We honor in our blood, pride in our soul, zeal in our hearts. Let's salute our India on Republic Day. Happy Republic Day.
I am Chaitra from First PUC CEBA. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Happy Republic Day.
I am Ritwik from SCBA. Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel to be a part of it.
Namaste everyone, I am Hamsini Jia. I am studying in first year SCBA. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes in this world. Happy Republic Day.
I am Vishnu from SCBA. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Happy Republic Day.
Myself Nishka from first PU SCBA. Never forget the heroes who sacrificed their life to bring up this glorious day to India. Happy Republic Day.
I am Charan from First PU SCBA. It's the great feeling to be Indian. Let's spread the cheer all over. I love India. Vande Mataram.
Myself Varsha. I am studying in first year SCBA. Let us remember the heritage of our country and let's feel proud to be a part of India. Happy Republic Day.
I am Raghunath from PCMB. Our ancestors gave us a glorious past. We need to create the future. This Republic Day, let's lead the change and become a real Indian. Jai Hind.